Welcome to InfoCo channel. Are you noticing an increase in your waistline? That is belly fat. Your body is storing more than burning the fuel you are intaking, and that is building up belly fat. Let's first understand what is belly fat and what are its risks. Belly fat is excess fat deposited in the abdominal region, which is also called visceral fat. Compared to all other types of body fat, this one is associated with dangers of heart strokes, diabetes, and other life-threatening problems. An expanding waistline is sometimes considered the price of getting older. Research shows that belly fat also carries serious health risks. The good news? The threats posed by belly fat can be reduced. Following these 10 tips can certainly reduce the size and volume, and if you follow them strictly, you may find reduction in the first 15 days. Number 1. Reduce calorie intake. Calories are nothing but the amount of energy released by a particular food. Taking a diet that is high in calories produces excess energy, which often gets stored in the form of fats. This is why you must understand your calorie intake and energy output to strike balance. Do not waste time counting calories, however, know your food and choose them wisely. Some food with high calorie may be more beneficial than other same calorie food that is bad for your body. A piece of salmon has good fat that is good, while a donut has very as bad fat. For the next 15 days, indulge in low-cal meals like fruits, raw vegetables, soups, seeds, etc. It is one of the best ways to lose belly fat without exercise. Number 2. Low-carb diet. A low-carb diet is one that limits carbohydrates, primarily found in sugary foods, pasta, and bread. Instead of eating carbs, you eat whole foods including natural proteins, fats, and vegetables. Carbohydrates are important fuel to keep the body active and energized. They are converted into glucose, which produces instant energy. When an excess of carbs is taken, the glucose production also increases, which gets stored in the adipose tissues as fat deposits. Therefore, reduce and cut down on carbohydrates, not only to lose gut fat, but also for general well-being. Number 3. Moderate intensity exercise. Moderate intensity activities are those that get you moving fast enough or strenuously enough to burn off 3 to 6 times as much energy per minute as you do when you are sitting quietly. Plan for a practical exercise schedule, which has a combination of techniques like weights, crunches, planks, aerobics, Pilates, jogging, swimming, brisk walking, etc. This can give you fast results in losing some extra bulk in your waist. Remember to respect your body limitations and not overdo things. These 15 days, you must consciously take up a medium-intensity workout. Number 4. Drink plenty of water. Water can shrink your stomach fat by cleansing your internal system and eliminating the toxins. Drinking lots of water for the next few days can cut down your hunger cravings and overall food intake. This contributes to indirectly accelerating the process of burning calories. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters per day. By drinking 2 to 3 liters of water a day, although staying hydrated can boost and accelerate the process of losing weight, it must be accompanied by proper nutrition and regular exercise. Number 5. Increase dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is linked with weight loss and prevention of fat accumulation in the body. Taking high amounts of soluble and insoluble fiber can prevent constipation and stomach bloating. It can clean your intestines and help you lose belly fat. Some of the best fiber-rich foods to consume are oatmeal, fruits like berries, apples, green leafy vegetables, etc. Number 6. Drink matcha tea. As part of the diet plan, it is advisable to replace your daily coffee and tea with healthy matcha tea. This is a popular weight loss drink, which is also known to work on fat burn. Matcha tea contains catechins and other flavonoids, which are linked to obesity control and abdomen fat loss. Studies show that it may help speed up metabolism to increase energy expenditure and boost fat burning. Another study concluded people lost 4 times as much belly fat over the course of 3 months. Number 7. Refrain from alcoholic reduced drinks. Most people are familiar with the term beer belly, the name for the stubborn fat that tends to form around your middle if you are a frequent drinker. All kinds of alcohol, beer, wine, whiskey, you name it, are relatively calorie-dense, topping out at about 7 calories per gram. Alcohol contributes to excess add fat, along with damaging your liver functionality. Also, you must quit high sodium, sugar, trans fats, and other weight-gaining substances to get rid of the fat deposits. Whether you are a habitual boozer or a social drinker, you must abstain from all forms of alcohol during the next 15 days. Number 8. Frequent small meals. Small, frequent meals, also referred to as grazing, picking, nibbling, and snack eating, is a dietary pattern characterized by consuming multiple meals throughout the day. Although many people recommend taking small meals every 2 to 3 hours, this is known to speed up your digestion and reduce the load on your stomach. By planning for low-calorie, portion-control meals instead of large square meals, you can notice a visible reduction in tummy fat. Give your body a chance to stop eating or fast for at least a minimum of 12 hours a day so that your body can do sufficient burning. For example, stop eating from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Number 9. Sleep well. To be on the healthy path, you must sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours, depending on your age. When we say sleep, it means quality, undisturbed one. Keep your gadgets away at least 1 hour before bedtime, and maintain a silent environment. This can induce better sleep and makes you awake to a fresh morning. Following this routine can definitely support your fat loss goals. Number 10. Control your stress level. Stress is one of the biggest contributors to weight gain, body fat, especially the belly. Acute stress levels can lead to depression and stress eating. To tackle belly fat loss, you must first deal with this root cause. Take up meditation or other calming techniques and keep your mind at ease. Although most of them claim to help you reduce belly fat in 15 days, the results vary from person to person. You must not solely rely on these tips and check with a doctor to outweigh the benefits and limitations. Do not expect getting a muscular six-pack abs in this amount of time. That will require more work and commitment. Take it a step at a time and monitor your progress as you go. So go for it and let us know how it went. Hope that you have enjoyed and found this video useful. Also be sure to check out other of our videos as well. Thank you for watching.